Welcome to your Shabam training technique session. I'm Grace.
I'm Cam, and we have Des and Yayoi with us today.
Shabam is your easy, fun dance workout. It's super high energy, and we get to explore tons of different dance styles. Today, we're going to do some of the common ones you'll see in Shabam, Latin and hip hop.
That's right, and you'll see that we all move differently, and that's okay. So you move how you feel comfortable.
And if after a few minutes you want something a bit more advanced, try heading straight on to a Shabam masterclass. Let's get it started. Let's go, team. So, first style is Latin. Latin is all about being proud through the chest, source through the hips, and you want to imagine these spiky balls underneath your armpits. What this does is it lifts your elbows and gives you a really authentic feel while you're dancing. First move we're going to do is a cha-cha. Starting with our right leg, we go step forward, back, march, 1, 2, 3, step forward, back, march. Once we've got that, we start to bring in the hips. You know how I said, Latin's all about the hips. So we got to ooze it round, march, 1, 2, 3. As you step forward, take that hip around, yes, and start to flow the hips. However feels good to you. One more. Ooh. Okay, new move. Step touch to the right. We go. Step touch. I know, you're like, Grace, this is kind of easy. It's about the hips. To the side, we go. Round, close it in. So imagine you're poking a hole in the wall as you step, and then completing it. Other side. 4, bring it round. 2, as you step in, complete the circle. And when we do this in masterclass, we'll add all kinds of crazy arms. For now, just focus on the hips. Last move, team. Right leg, step it back. We go. Back, front, march, 1, 2, 3. Other side. Back, front, that's it. 1, 2, 3. Start to twist your hips, shift your weight, and pop that front leg. Boom. And 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, let's do those moves again. We're going to speed it up a little bit, and we're going to combo. Let's hit it. 1, 2, ba, ba, ba. Okay, double time. Let's go. And ba, ba, ba. Cha, cha. Awesome. 4 steps to the right we go. Step and close. Super slow. 4 now. Cam loves to speed ahead. Other side. Stick that hip out. Complete the rotation. Time to speed it up. Step in. Step in. Oh. Last move, right leg, steps back and across. Back, front, ba, ba, ba. Back, arms or no arms, it's up to you. But it's always fun to do a hair flip. Speed it up, we go. Ba, da, 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 back. Awesome, twist those hips, lift the foot. I think it's time for a combo. Cha-cha forward, fast we go. Step back, ba, ba, ba. I love it. Loco, loco. Step touch to the side, 4, 3, 2, to the other side. One more. That's it. Right leg, take it across. We go. And last one. Flick it off.
This is hip hop. We're deep into the legs, hunched over posture. We take it aggressive, explosive, and then we tone it down with some smooth textured energy. Of course, we've got to pay homage to the creators. It's deep within black culture, the streets of New York where it was born. Because of course, without it, we wouldn't have this thing that we are privileged to do, and that is hip hop. Let's get started. First move, we step to the side and twist our body. Step, twist, step, twist. Speed up a little bit. Step, twist. As the throw in, we pull it back like a bow and arrow and change the direction of our body.
Hey!
Okay, next move. Knee knock. Start from the base. Drop the knee in, knock, out, in, out. Release the heel. Knock. Add some arms. Here we go. Go. Pull. Pull. Pull to the same side as that knee knock. Imagine the tension as you pull on that rope. Let's move on. Next move, figure eight with our booty.
Oh.
Boom. Now let's add on our arms, of course. We sway. Sway. What's this like, Grace?
Kind of like you're making your way through super thick peanut butter. The lower, the crunchier.
Keep that going. Get the feel of it.
Ooh.
I think I like it.
I think it's time to take that track from the top, put it together, go a little faster. What do you say, team?
I reckon.
Let's change that track. Step, throw, step, throw, step, throw. Wind up your bow and arrow, and then try and chuck something through a high window. Add a jump. Hey. Oh, we said cardio. It is Les Mills after all. Hold up. Knee knock. Slow. Step. Knee. Step. Hold it here. Feel the resistance. Pull that rope in. And then we just speed it up.
Speed it up.
Go. Hey. What? Bounce the butt.
Go, Des.
And it's right about now that your legs might start to burn. It's all good stuff. We're gonna work for it. 4 more. Sway the hips. Slow, slow, slow. Figure 8. Push through like you're moving through the jungle. Speed it up. 6, 7, 8. Hey, hey, get low. Hunch your body over. Get your baggy pants on. Even lower, go. There's a prize for the lowest. Come on, Dan. All right. Shake it off. Time for a combo. Step, throw. Go, step, throw, step, throw. Pull it in, knee knock. Hey, hey, hey. What was that? It's the hip sway. Go. Ooh, bring the sauce. Throw it off. Ready? We go. Step.
Throw it.
Pull it in, pull it. Hey, hey. Keep going. Pulla, pulla.
Take it low. Hey. Wave. Haha. How crunchy. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was your Shabam technique session from Cam, from Des, from Yo-Yo and myself. See you next time.